Hey YouTube, I want to get on here and do a review. I have this product. It's called Candy Lip. And what this does, it's supposed to plump your lips, kind of like the Kylie Jenner lips or whatnot. I really don't have a problem with the lips that I do have, but sometimes I like to have a pouty lip. It comes in this little apple shaped. Whisk this off. The top comes off, and this is the top, and this is the bottom. So it has two pieces where you can either do one lip at a time, or if you just wanted to do one lip, you can do one lip, or if you wanted to do both and take and do both lips. So this piece you can put on there. Just for me, I like the piece on just because I get to adjust each lip the way I want it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the lip that you want plumped onto the inner part in here, and you're gonna squeeze this, and you're just gonna hold it for as long as you can. It tells you 2 minutes. Sometimes I don't like to do 2 minutes just because it's irritating, and sometimes it turns, there's a possibility your lips can turn like a purplish color, which I don't like because then it looks dark. So if you just gradually do a little bit at a time, and then you can work your way up to the 2 minute mark. For me, it lasts about a couple of hours, but that's why it's portable. You can pack it, put it in your purse to go. So, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my top lip. So this is what I look like before. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the top one. So you just squeeze. Who needs lip injections? And you always want to put some chapstick or something to moisturize them. The lips, that is, so they won't get dried out. But yeah, overall I like it. And I think I could probably go a little bit more. But yeah, I think it works, obviously. But yes, I will go ahead and link down in the description where I picked this up at. But yeah, I'll go ahead and link down in the description box down below where I picked it up at. I totally like this. And at the bottom it says, the pouty lips you always wanted naturally. So literally in less than 2 minutes, my lips went from super tiny to nice and pouty.